I got my package today from Reebok, and it's the same shoe in two different sizes. I'm gonna see which one fits best. See, my size is a 10.5, and sometimes it fits too big, sometimes it runs too small. So I'm gonna see which one of these two fit the best, and keep the one that fit the best, because they have free return policy up to 60 days. So you know, that's something we got to take advantage of, since we can't be going to the store and trying out shoes, especially shoes like these where you can only get them if you're a Reebok member. This is the Reebok Kamikaze International Peace Edition, or whatever you may call it. So for this video, I'm only gonna open up one box, which is my normal size, which is 10.5, and see what they look like. Like I said, these are members only, but they don't seem to be selling out as something of demand like the Boktober, Shagnosis, the other Kamikazes, or the Questions. So let's look at these. So they don't come in a slide box like the last Kamikazes they had. These come in a regular fold open box. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Man, these are so nice. Look at that. It say Reebok Classic. I guess these are the same type of insoles that the past Kamikazes came with. So you got the 10.5 tag. So the sole is kind of like this translucent or transparent type of grayish. You got the red hexalite. But man, these are live. I like them. Synthetic leather all the way. No nubuck or no suede all the way around. But yeah, these are it. Let's check out the other one. So these didn't come with the Reebok wrapping paper. See that? You like that? They're exactly alike. So these are it. Reebok Classics. This one got something different on the tongue. It look like a peace symbol, kind of like melting away. The back doesn't have anything. Normally I think the regular Kamikaze got the Reebok Vector. So neither does the other one. So there you have it. These are the Kamikaze International Peace Edition, Peace Day, something like that. I'll be rocking these, man. Catch you on the next one.